Turn loose busheling scrap into compact and high-density metal bales with our busheling scrap baler machine. Reduce scrap volume and improve recycling efficiency. The automatic conveyor ensures smooth and continuous material feeding. The large hopper makes scrap loading easier and more efficient. Powered by a strong hydraulic system, the baler compresses loose scrap into dense and uniform bales. The finished bales are quickly ejected with a compact structure and easy handling. Enerpat provides an efficient solution for modern metal recycling.